Hey, this is Meredith Elliott Powell, and this week I'm actually at home in my office in Asheville, North Carolina. And I want to talk to you about how to make a decision. Probably one of the most challenging things we have to do in an uncertain marketplace. And what is the problem with making a decision? Why do we procrastinate? Why do we have sleepless nights? Why do we struggle so much? Well, I think it's because we're trying to make the right decision. And the truth is, the harder the decision, the less right a decision there is. So how do you make a decision? You just need to make one, but then you need to commit. Listen, you can split hairs, you can make arguments about why the other decision was right or why the decision that you have made is wrong. But if you want to make a decision and you want the decision to work, make the decision and then focus all your energy on committing to the decision. That's what's going to make the decision successful.